As a new generation of consumers comes of age, South and Southeast Asia are entering a powerful new wave of consumption growth. Demand for housewares is rising faster than ever before. But behind this surge of opportunity lies a critical challenge. How do you sustain rapid growth and rise to become a market leader? Because in this business, every decision matters. One wrong move can cost years. One slow step can mean missing the window entirely. Every market holds opportunity, but each requires a different strategy to win. In India, insulated bottles and die casting are driving high volume, high margin growth, fueled by strong domestic brands and rising consumer demand. Bangladesh is opening a fast entry window in small home appliances and die casting. Vietnam has emerged as a hub for premium cookware, electric kettles, and high-end stainless products, a market defined by quality, export power, and higher value creation. Indonesia, with over 270 million people, represents a massive domestic consumption market where cookware offers the most direct and reliable path to scale. And Pakistan remains a trading-driven economy, where glass lids and cutlery enable fast returns, flexible production, and quick business replication. No matter where you are, the opportunity is real. And at SunGlory, we've already mapped out the fastest path to capture it. But here's the truth most people overlook. Success is not about buying machines. It's about building the right mindset, the right product positioning, and the right business model from day one. That's why manufacturers, brands, and e-commerce players who achieve sustainable growth choose SunGlory. We are your trusted growth solution partner. We don't just provide machines. We build your entire business for success. Identifying market opportunities and avoiding saturated competition. Designing the right product mix and strategy to maximize profit. Planning a factory setup tailored to your market and pricing position. Implementing the right level of automation for efficiency and quality control. Building a financial model to ensure fast and secure return on investment. At SunGlory, we design your growth, not just your production, through over 6 years of close collaboration with a leading growth consulting firm. As a result, most of our clients are able to achieve cover machine investment within 9 to 18 months. Achieve stable production within just 3 months from the first batch. Expand into multiple product lines and capture both local and global orders. By 2026, SunGlory has helped customers set up 200 complete A to Z production lines worldwide, all of which were successful. Many of our partners have become market leaders in their segments, such as Indian top brands, Bangladesh top brands, Indonesia, Pakistan, Vietnam top brands. Today, dozens of our customers continue to lead their markets. From blueprint to full production, we focus on what matters most: fast and structured setup, stable and predictable production, integrated 4-in-1 support, ensuring success from planning to investment returns in one go, guaranteeing the continuous growth of family assets and wealth through real business. Therefore, your investment not only executes smoothly, but also receives effective control, optimization, and scalability enhancement. If you're entering this business, do it right from day one. Choose SunGlory equals choose success.